Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and talking about some products. I also have a code for you guys during this video so you guys can get some money off of if you want to order these amazing products. Without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we do, please like, subscribe, and share. Now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so I'm super excited because Goli sent me this whole box of goodies, each of their products, which I will go over. Of course, I'm going to go over the first ones that I've already tried, and I've been using Goli now for like a while. It is their apple cider vinegar. These I absolutely love, and they don't have that nasty taste. They taste really great, and I take these all the time. My favorite one is the ashwagandha, guys. When I need to zen out during my meditations and stuff like that, this is really great. It helps you to relax and stay calm and just tranquil. The next one, it is their super fruits gummies. This one's really good. This is for like hair, skin, beauty mostly. It is for beauty, wellness, and nutrition. All of their products are gluten-free, non-GMO, gelatin-free, plant-based, vegan, which is really great. And if you don't know, I only use those kinds of products when it comes to my hair, skin, and wellness. The next one that I have yet to try, but I'm really excited to try, it is their Super Greens gummies. It is for health from within. So probably like it's more of a immune booster kind of situation. Usually the green ones are. I don't know what this tastes like, but you know what, let's try it for this video. I'm gonna open this, open it up for you guys, and we'll taste it, and I will tell you what it tastes like, because I know this one is my favorite scent. This one tastes amazing. This one tastes good for an apple cider vinegar, and this one has like a citrusy taste to it, which is why hence it's orange. But this one smells good. Well, all of Goli's stuff smells good, and it is green, very dark green. Green is my favorite color. It tastes fruity, but with a green taste. Like, it tastes green. I know it doesn't make sense. Like, it tastes healthy, but not like I wouldn't want to eat it. Like, it tastes good. That's the worst description I've ever given something. I can't explain it. It tastes like a Goli gummy. Like, I probably wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the other ones. So, but it does have like a healthier taste to it. Next, they came out with 3 new products. They came out with one like every month or every 2 months once it launched. It came out like a month or 2 after each other. That's what I mean to say. And the first one is this is not the first one they made. This is the last one that they made. This is their newest one. It is their Goli Bites Energy. It has vitamin B6, B9, and B12. Guarana extract, caffeine. It has 25 calories only. It is salted caramel chocolate flavored bites. This is the one. Okay, this is the one that I was taking a picture with, but I've never tried it. Look what it looks like this side. It tastes good. And this is the energy one, which is why I took it, because I don't want to take that. There's another one that I'll talk about next. And the next one is, it's chocolate. That is chocolate, guys. The next one is their calm one, which this one has KSM 66 ashwagandha, reishi mushroom extract, and this one is made with chocolate acai berry flavored bites. Also 25 calories. So I don't know if I'll be eating this one because it has acai berries, and I'm allergic to blueberries, and I don't know. Alright, someone let me know down in the comments, if you're allergic to blueberries, are you going to be allergic to acai berries? Because they're kind of like the same. Like, I'm not allergic to strawberries. I've never tried a raspberry, but I've had raspberry flavored stuff, and I'm not allergic to that. But blueberries, I learned the hard way. Maybe we'll leave that for a story time one day. But yeah. And the last one is their multi Goli Bites. Same thing, chocolate. So it has more than 10 vitamins and essential nutrients. This is a vanilla cocoa chocolate flavored bites. Ooh. What does that taste? Oh, is it caramel? Okay, this one has. This is the caramel flavor, salted caramel. That's what it is. That's what it is. I'm not a fan of caramel, but I tasted the caramel strongly on that one. All right, and this one is a vanilla. So I'm excited for that. So this is what this one looks like. I'll show you what all of them look like. I did not. I don't think I did for all of them. I just like the packaging. My favorite one, green. Honestly, I can't even speak. Honestly, this one tastes really good, guys. I'm like loving it. They all taste good. My favorite one. And then of course the OG apple cider vinegar. This is the first one they ever made. This is the OG. So yeah, so thanks to Goli for sending me this box. If you guys want to use my code chrysy7, you guys can save. I don't know what the promo is at the moment. It's between 10% to 20% off. Sometimes there's deals with my code. Just use it and find out. It's a mystery. Anybody who's a parent knew that tone, that little jingle. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And please, 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 please stay safe out there. Bye now.